morning flight, kiss goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky. Lonely night.
Hi everyone, so sa ngayon tinan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have this one, strong, I'm sensing survive. Inong hinote ko to. Next is one of the greatest blessings, but it's in either way. We also have the like in either way. We also have the trust here. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na during this period, you have to be strong. Despite of something that will happen sooner or later. So we have the 7. We also got this one here. I'm feeling na may mangyayaring pagbabago. Kasi, yung nangyari dito is ilalayo na ng Panginoon yung mga right people against people that are not good. Kasi select natin is in either way. So, ibig sabihin nun, may mga tao na nagpapanggap na supportive sa'yo, pero hater mo pala. So, mabubunyag na sila ay masama. I feel na may mangyayari. So, speaking of it, we have the mask here. So, the mask will fall off, definitely. And we have the BC here. Do it is in reverse. And we got the new. So, yung mangyayari dito guys, kasi basahin nyo, baka until now, you're holding with the wrong people. So, may mga tao tayong naririnig. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, if you're still dealing with the wrong people, guys, magkakaroon ng away. Kasi yung sign ng asong tumatahol. Because, look at this one, yung just wait natin ay naka-reverse. So, yung ba sa inyo, hindi yung nagawang bitawan tong taong to. So, gumagawa na ng paraan ng Panginoon para may mangyari so that you will be able to remove the wrong person so that it will open new doors towards new people na talagang mabuti. And to be honest, yung energy ng mga masasamang tao sa inyong buhay, na-feel ko yung kanilang throat is really blocked. Pinipilit sila ng Panginoon na magsabi ng katotohanan kasi kung sino man sila guys, papanggap sila na mabuti. Okay? At saka observe nyo na rin yung the way that they speak. They kinda like slip tongues. Sometimes, nag-iwan na sila ng red flag, so pay attention to it. Okay? So, I feel like God wants you to know na gusto niya sana na yung mga tao sa paligid mo, lalo na kung mabuti ka, ay talagang authentically good din kagaya mo. At hindi yung mga tao nagpapanggap na mabuti, pero ahas naman. Okay, so anyway, that's it guys with our reading. I just hope this may give us some insight about your situation, and God bless us all.